Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make fried tofu with peanut sauce. If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majinbu Food Services. The link is in the description down below. This video will help St. Martin Montessori Open High School program students to learn how to make fried tofu with peanut sauce.
For peanut sauce, we need salt, white pepper, Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, 1/4 cup peanut butter, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 cloves garlic minced, chilies or siling labuyo according to your taste, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 cup water optional. For fried tofu, we need 400 grams tofu cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons cooking oil. We need a teaspoon to mix all the ingredients until well incorporated. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a dash of cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, white pepper, salt, optional. Mix it until well incorporated. One tablespoon vinegar, two cloves garlic minced, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or less depending on the heat of your microwave. For pan-fried tofu, we need a turner and a frying pan. Preheat the pan and add the 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Put the 400 grams of tofu, and fry your tofu until golden brown in each side. Finished product, pan-fried tofu with peanut sauce.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.